Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and you know I absolutely love storage. I have multiple storage units. I probably should do an updated stash video, and this one I dove into. Nana of Seven Crafts, it's your fault. It is your fault. You introduced me to a new coupon site, and this is the result of it. So let's turn this camera around. Let's open this Amazon box. Let's see what's in here storage wise, and let's have fun. I can't wait to hit up something new. I think I'm going to do my DP Summer Villains in this storage box. So I'll be right back. Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have this unboxing. It just arrived today. I have no idea what's in here because I ordered 3 things on the same day, but different times because I don't know, I was like schizophrenic or something, I don't know. And so I don't know what's in this Amazon box because all of them are about the same size. But I thought this was kind of cool. I haven't seen this before. This box was made to fit your order. Learn why this box is better. So I guess my product like didn't fit a random box. So I don't know if they have like these cardboard sheets and then they just cut it. Oh, okay. Who knows? Oh, cool. Okay. So this is from, is it Ho Ho Time? Anyway, Nana, you're a nut. Nana of 7 Crafts introduced me, and Marilyn and all my crafty friends introduced me to Vipon, I think. And this was an accessory that is normally $25.46, but with the coupon, now my husband has something similar to that he uses called Snag Shell, but with the coupon, let me see how much it cost me. I have to look. I think with the coupon it was like $7. Okay, so this is just what we all see. I love that it's blue. And it's a 60 slot diamond painting storage containers, but it's 180 pieces because it comes with all this extra stuff in it. And I wanted to see what the extra stuff was. So these are the bigger containers, which is really nice because sometimes companies will fake you out and send you the shorter containers. So there's 60 of those. Awesome. And okay, so here's this kind of interesting. I've never had one of these before. It looks like a weird spaceship. It's got sparkles in it. It's kind of transparent. And then this is interesting. I haven't seen one of these that have the pen slot in the side. Now, of course, it won't fit the pen I normally use, but it will fit a single placing pen. This is just one I had off to the side. So it'll fit one of those, which is really nice if you have, if you just like want to place this and not lose your pen, and you put the pen there and you have a, oh, what do you call it? An easel. Let me put this back. This goes with a different canvas. Okay, so we get some baggies. Oh, this little brush. This brush might be nice for any hair or anything that gets on your canvas. Or if you do the scratch art, you could use that. And then this is like a little tweezer wax set. So we've got single placing pens on this side, and then we have the multi-placing on this side, and then you've got your bent tweezers and your wax. Now the bent tweezers are good to send to schools if you don't use them. You can also find somebody who likes miniature housing or electronics. They might use it as well. You've got some labels. 2 of these sticky mats, which I was really excited about. So I've got a green one and a black one. Oh, I needed one of these. This is a straightener. And then this is a funnel, which my friend Rebecca calls a uterus. So this one's blue. How fun is that? And then you've got all of your accessories right here. Put this back in here for now. I thought this was really cool, and for, I think it was like $6.50 or something, $7 after tax. I can't beat that with that coupon. I'm gonna stick all this back so I don't lose it. I'm gonna keep this on top. So yes, check them out, and even if you don't have the coupon, it's $23.99, which is actually a decent price. I haven't found them much cheaper than that on AliExpress, and you get this with the Amazon 2-day shipping if you have Prime. So check them out. I'll put the link down below, and let me know what you think. So until next time, be blessed, take care. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.